You want to learn light painting? You're at the right place. So first of all, let me tell you all what do you need for the light painting. So the most basic thing that you need for the light painting is your tripod. The tripod is very much useful in light painting because you need very stable shots during the light painting, because when you are going to roll the lights and the camera must be at a stable position, or else if the camera would be shaky or if handed, then the design or the light painting that you're going to do would be just very much shaky and you won't get the results that you want. So you need a tripod to get some stable shots. And the second most important thing that you need is a camera with manual settings. It can be a DSLR, it can be mirrorless, or any other camera with the manual settings. Like it must have the manual shutter speed option, and rest two are just very common, like aperture and the ISO, sensitivity of the sensor. Okay guys, so now let me show you how do we actually do light painting. Now you all might be wondering why I have changed the background, but the thing is we are going to shoot our light painting photographs over here. As you all can see, I'm standing in my house, and in this passage we are going to shoot our light painting. You all might be wondering how, but let me show you. When I switch off all the lights over here, we get a really dark area, and that lighting is perfect for our light painting. So now let me show you how do we actually do that. Okay guys, so this is how I'm going to shoot. Here is my tripod. So here are two of the stools. Like each stool has a texture on it, so this gives a really good background. The base of the light painting. If the base is good, then the picture is gonna be good. Here's the tripod, so the camera is gonna be placed over here, and I have hung a light over there, and this is the light box that I made, and I have also made a tutorial how to make a light box. You all can just go to the video to watch how to make this light box, and the link will be in the iCard that is displayed now on the screen. So this is gonna be my overall setup, and through the setup I'm going to shoot light painting. Now let me show you how it looks like when we place the camera on the tripod. So this is how the image is gonna look like. We are going to place our object over here, and this is gonna be the base, and the sides look pretty good as of for now, and I've used an ND filter so that I can just improve the lighting over here, and I've just adjusted it. And basically ND filter is a neutral density filter which cuts off the extra light coming into the lens to the sensor, and it makes the photo look much better than before. So now let me place my object over here. Okay guys, so here is my object, and this is an Eiffel Tower, and this is the Eiffel Tower that I'm going to use as my main object, and we are going to try light painting on this object. So let me place it over here. As you all can see, the object is way too far from the camera and does not look very well, so we are going to take camera to the object so that the object can be captured properly and light painting can be done properly. Okay guys, so here's how my setup looks like. This is the Eiffel Tower, our model, which we are going to shoot, and we are going to test the light painting over here, and this is my camera. For those of you who are interested in cameras and all, this is the Canon EOS 200D with the kit lens, and I have put an ND filter over here. As you all can see, here is the ND filter. So I'm just using the ND filter over here, and let me show you how it looks like from the camera. Okay guys, so this is how your camera setup must look like. Here is the light, here is the Eiffel Tower, the model which you are going to use, and here's the camera. The camera is switched on, as you all can see in the screen, and here's the main prop that we're going to use for this photo shoot. And for that you need one more thing, that is a flashlight. You can use a flashlight of a phone or anything else. You can just use a flashlight of a phone, that's enough. You don't need to purchase any other light, and even for the light box you don't need to purchase anything. You can just make your light box at home. Here is the light box that I've made. Link of the video is here in the iCard somewhere above. You all can just click on that and you can just go visit that video. Now let me show you how do we actually do the light painting. So first we have to make the shutter speed nearly around 6 seconds or 8 seconds. You can choose your own, you can even do the 4 seconds or 2 seconds one, but I would prefer you to go with 6 seconds. Press the shutter button, and when you start pressing the shutter button, when you press the shutter button, what you need to do is you need to take a phone with the flash on or the flashlight, whatever you want to place. You can just roll it around it, or you can just slide it, and whatever you want to make, whatever drawing you want to do behind your object or in front of your object, you can do, and you don't have to stop until the shutter is open until the time it closes. After the shutter closes, you can take away your flashlight and you will get the photograph that you want. You have to repeat this process multiple times. You will get multiple results, multiple photographs, and you have to choose wisely which one is your perfect clip. If you don't get, then just keep on trying, and you will get a shot finally that you like and you want it. And I just realized that my lighting on my face was not so good, but I hope you understood what I wanted to tell you all. Now just see how I do it, and if I get the result what I am expecting or not. Now let me show you how I actually do it. So guys, in this way I clicked all my pictures, and this was my tutorial of light painting, and I hope you all learned at least something from this. And if you all learned anything or enjoyed this video for any reason, just don't forget to give this video a like, and do comment your opinions about what I could have improved in my pictures and all. And also guys, you all can see all my pictures that I clicked. I mean the light painting pictures and all of the pictures that I click usually. You all can see all those pictures on my Instagram handle, and my Instagram ID is displayed somewhere over the screen. You all can just check my Instagram handle, and you all can follow me if you all like my photos. And also guys, share this video with your friends so that they can also learn how to do light painting. And if I missed anything, just don't forget to tell me in the comment section below, and I will surely try to cover it up in my next videos. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel.